This home shows how good design solves real problems without feeling forced. Every piece has a purpose, so the space feels balanced and easy to live in. Watch how this layout comes together using simple furniture, natural materials, and smart placement. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas. You get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Start with the living area. The furniture placement defines the main gathering space. Then, the dining area. The table is positioned to stay accessible and open. And in the kitchen, the layout keeps everything within easy reach. This transformation shows that a home doesn't need to be big to work well. When your layout is planned right and every piece has a purpose, the space becomes easier to use every day. So instead of guessing what to buy or where to place it, start with a clear design plan. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.